Tired of seeing that dreaded rejection email from Amazon Merch on Demand? Let's fix that and get you approved. First, and this is crucial, your business information needs to be spot on. Make sure your name, address, and contact details are exactly as they appear on your tax documents. Amazon cross-references this information. A slight discrepancy will get you denied. Double, triple check everything. Next, and this is where many people fail, your design portfolio matters. Don't submit generic clip art designs. Show Amazon you're a creator. Highlight your skills. If you have a website or online portfolio, link it. If not, create a simple PDF showcasing your best, original work. Think quality over quantity. Speaking of links, make sure A&Y external links you provide, like to your website or portfolio, are active and lead to professional pages. A broken link screams unprofessional and can instantly disqualify you. Finally, in your application explanation, be clear about your niche and your design style. Show them you understand the type of designs that sell on Amazon and that you have a clear strategy for creating successful products. Do some research and demonstrate that understanding. Review, revise, and resubmit. Follow these tips, and you'll dramatically increase your chances of getting approved on Amazon Merch on Demand. Good luck.